Here on Graceful Garages and always burnouts and fun stuff. Sometimes you gotta do house chores too. You can complain about it all day, but you gotta do it. Time I finally wash this thing. Bunch of grease on there. Alright, got this thing all cleaned up. It's been like a whole year since that thing's been off. Been waiting to clean it. Finally did. On to the next thing. Man, this small freaking blade sucks. Do it.
Oh shit.
Ah! You're gonna get me? Come on now. Ah! I'm ready for it. Oh, that looks good, right?
Yeah, looks good.
Rest of it's fine.
Yeah. I wouldn't mess with that one though.
What one?
This one.
Oh, 'cause of the power line?
Yeah, that's our internet line.
Oh,
Both of those. One of those.
we can't lose the internet.
Yeah.
Well, because of my own stupidity, I almost died twice. We're just not gonna talk about it anymore. Now, doesn't that just look so much better? I know I didn't do before and after and all, but I think you can tell. There was a lot of shit right there hanging down, and now it's gone. It's all over there. Big old pile. It's not always fun doing yard work, but it's gotta get done, I guess. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for hanging with me, making it just a little bit more fun. Keep it ungraceful, guys.